Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to manage online sales data with Kabbage integrations. Now, online sales data is vital for assessing business health, and Kabbage integration makes it easier to centralize that data. Let me show you the steps that are involved. The first step, connect all sales platforms. Now you want to link your Shopify, PayPal, Square, or any other sales tools to your Kabbage accounts. The next step is to enable daily synchronizations. Now choose auto sync option so that Kabbage always has updated numbers. Step 3, review sales insight. Now you can use Kabbage insights to see peak revenue periods, product performance, and monthly income trends. Step 4, make smarter draw decisions. Now, with real-time sales data, you can choose the best time to draw funds or invest in inventory. Step 5, forecast future sales. Now, you can use this data from integrations to plan for seasonal demands or promotional campaigns. By integrating your platform, Kabbage becomes a one-stop hub for financial visibility and decision making. And with that, we're at the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.